Here is how to enable stats for nerds and what does it mean. So basically open up YouTube app, it works on YouTube, and then go to your profile, tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and once you're here, proceed to general. In very bottom you will see stats for nerds. If this icon is blue, that means you enable this feature, stats for nerds. If this feature disabled, just tap on this toggle to disable it. Alright, what does it mean? If you open up any video on YouTube, I just prepare some video, for example, and then if you tap on the gear icon next to video, then tap on additional settings, tap on stats for nerds. A small window appears over your video with information like current video, quality, buffering information, and more and more.